Today, we're taking a deep dive into the stunning 2027 Tesla Model X, a next-generation electric SUV that could redefine premium EVs for years to come. Featuring an aggressive new design, a technology-packed cabin, even longer driving range, enhanced autonomous driving, and breathtaking performance, the 2027 Model X might become Tesla's most advanced production vehicle yet. Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is how much sharper and more athletic the new Model X appears. At the front, the traditional rounded nose has evolved into a cleaner, more sculpted fascia. The ultra-slim Matrix LED headlights feature a futuristic daytime running light signature that stretches toward the center of the vehicle, creating a wider visual stance. Instead of oversized air openings, Tesla incorporates carefully designed air curtains that channel airflow around the wheels, reducing turbulence and improving efficiency. Moving side profile. The profile is unmistakably Tesla, but noticeably more refined. Flush door handles remain, minimizing drag while maintaining Tesla's minimalist philosophy. New aerodynamic alloy wheels, expected to be available in 20-inch and optional 22-inch sizes, further enhance efficiency while adding an aggressive appearance. The wheel arches are more muscular than before, giving the SUV stronger road presence without looking bulky. The rear is arguably the biggest visual improvement. A full-width LED light bar spans the tailgate, creating a modern signature that's instantly recognizable. Instead of traditional chrome accents, Tesla uses satin black trim for a cleaner, sportier appearance. The rear bumper integrates a redesigned diffuser, helping manage airflow underneath the vehicle. Open the Falcon wing doors, and the futuristic atmosphere becomes even more impressive. The dashboard features premium soft-touch materials, open-pore wood, recycled aluminum, and sustainable fabrics. Ambient lighting now runs seamlessly across the dashboard and doors, creating an upscale lounge-like environment. Rumors suggest a larger display with thinner bezels, faster processing, and an updated user interface. A next-generation augmented reality head-up display projects navigation, speed, lane guidance, and autopilot information directly onto the windshield. Instead of simply executing commands, the assistant could handle conversations naturally, schedule charging stops, recommend destinations, and personalize cabin settings automatically. Rear occupants enjoy larger entertainment displays, wireless device charging, USB-C ports, individual climate controls, and improved premium audio. Tesla's panoramic glass roof has also been upgraded with enhanced UV and infrared protection, keeping the cabin cooler while maximizing natural light. Performance has always been one of Tesla's strongest selling points. The 2027 Model X is expected to push those limits even further. The long-range model will likely feature dual electric motors producing around 670 horsepower, delivering instant torque to all four wheels. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour could take just 3.5 seconds, making it quicker than many dedicated sports cars. With its tri-motor setup producing well over 1,000 horsepower, the Model X Plaid could sprint from 0 to 60 in approximately 2.4 seconds. The updated battery pack could offer over 420 miles of estimated driving range, faster DC fast charging, better cold weather performance, improved long-term battery durability. Charging speeds could exceed 350 kilowatts, allowing drivers to recover hundreds of miles of range in roughly 20 minutes under ideal conditions. Now let's talk pricing. While Tesla has not officially confirmed pricing for the 2027 Model X, industry expectations suggest Model X long range approximately $89,000 to $95,000, Model X Plaid approximately $105,000 to $120,000. The 2027 Tesla Model X isn't just another facelift. With a cleaner exterior, a more luxurious cabin, greater range, improved charging speeds, and cutting-edge AI technology, this flagship electric SUV could once again raise the benchmark for premium electric vehicles. Whether you're a long-time Tesla enthusiast or simply curious about the future of electric mobility, the 2027 Model X is certainly a vehicle worth watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of electric vehicles, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest coverage of upcoming cars, EV innovations, and futuristic automotive concepts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.